Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're gonna go hustling garage sales with a special guest. So come with me, let's have some fun. I know, the lens is getting foggy, isn't it? Okay, so we're about to depart. Stupid E-Money, hurry up, stupid E-Money. Come on, E-Money. He's so late, all the time. Check it out, got some Strella product going out today as well. Look at this little touch I did to the boxes recently. Pretty cool. It's a beautiful day here in Austin, Texas. We got E-Money in the car right here. What's up, guys? We're gonna go hit up some garage sales today. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you're subscribed. And what I do basically on a part-time basis is I go to garage sales and I go to thrift stores. Typically, I buy used items and I put it on eBay and Amazon and Craigslist and my antique booth and turn it into money, into profit. So that's a lot of fun. Watch my channel, you'll figure out how to do it too. See all this haziness right here in Austin?
It looks normal.
No, it looks hazy, doesn't it? A little bit?
No.
You know what it is?
A purple haze?
Nope. It's an African dust storm.
I don't believe you.
I'm serious, dude. Look it up on your stupid phone. All the way from Africa. Think about it for a second. It's here in Austin.
Much of Texas to be hit with African Saharan dust this weekend.
Isn't this the weekend?
Uh-huh.
It's the weekend.
It says this weekend, but it's not here yet.
Trust me, it's here.
Guess what?
What?
Yay, cheddar weather! Cheddar weather!
I'm telling you, like, there's gonna be some weird stuff in the air.
Like what?
There's gonna be weird stuff in the air the whole weekend, dude.
Tell me.
I don't know, like mummy things.
Mummy things?
Yes, dude. That's what comes from African dust storms, dude. Mummy things.
Yay, get the Pharaoh's power! Pharaoh's power! Yay, hieroglyphics! Ooh.
Yay, beetles on the ground, the mummy's here. Guess where we're gonna find that garage sale today? A sarcophagus. All right, we have our guest. I see her. I think I do at least. Hello, hello. How are you?
How are you? Good to see you again.
Yeah, same.
How have you been?
Good, not bad. Similar to my
Hey.
brother.
What's up, what's up?
I saw you the other day at the Burnett Savers, but I was like leaving.
This is E-Money. This is Audrey. What's up, Audrey?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, and then I met her for the first time at Rally, when we were at a garage show with Rally Roots and all that kind of stuff. So that was pretty fun. Okay. All right, so we got a little Doppio from Cherrywood Coffee. Cheers to you, and cheers to you, Audrey. You got a coffee, right?
Just coffee.
This thing smells so burnt. It's not that good, but it's good for the morning. What did you say?
It's worse than I remember.
Hey, it is what it is. Yeah, before we get to this, so there's some neighborhood-wide garage sales over there. Okay, it's focused. And 2 or 7 a.m. We're gonna get to them in like 1 second. More importantly, we have Audrey here in the hot seat, and I think you might be the second or third female ever to be in the hot seat.
I actually had someone mention that to me. They
Oh,
said
really?
it'll be interesting to see Chris with a female perspective.
Yeah. So I've seen her a couple times over, I want to say, since the Rally Roots thing, maybe, or once or twice, I don't know, something like that. But I feel as if I know Audrey very well just through the comments, and we talk behind the scenes on Instagram.
It's true.
We DM each other, guys. No.
Uh-oh.
No, but like, it's like, I don't know. It's just cool, you know? So I wasn't like, oh, I know she's not all weirded about, okay, this is gonna like take a really bad turn. I should probably not. I know she's not weirded out to be here is what I'm trying to say. So there's one right here, this hippie neighborhood that's having neighborhood-wide garage sales today, and we gotta figure out the cheat sheet.
Ooh, found it.
Did you find it?
Cheddar cheat sheet.
All the addresses?
Yeah, all the addresses.
Check this out. You see that? That's what you want. See that?
Oh, good.
Do you know there's a dust storm in town this weekend?
No.
Did you read about that?
No.
It's from, guess where it's from?
Where?
Guess. You have to guess first.
Oh gosh. I don't know Texas.
So where can Audrey, where could a dust storm come from? Like, think of a faraway place.
A place where there's dust.
Yeah.
Like
Where?
Egypt.
Hey, dang, she got it. This neighborhood, I ain't gonna lie, like kind of creeps me out a little bit.
It does.
It's just creepy.
Like the burbs.
People park the wrong side.
We got some right here. We got some garage sales or something. It doesn't look that
Yeah.
good. So here we have a garage sale. Let's go check it out. All right. Want to say hi to Matt and his kiddos. What's up, Matt?
Hey, what's up?
Good to see you. I love that shirt, dude.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Your ride-along is getting really popular.
Oh yeah, it's like over 4,000 views.
Look at this guy stalking my videos, dude. What's up, dude? All right, we didn't find anything there, but all right, let's roll. Oh, there you go. I think there's a garage sale here. I can't tell. There's a bike.
There's a bike.
There's a Schwinn.
Clothes.
Let's do it. So yeah, we didn't find anything there. There was a fire pit that I was considering getting, but she wouldn't sell it to me. So I guess I wasn't considering getting it then. Huh. I can't even buy it.
I know.
That sucks. Where I think a lady is staging a garage sale right there. Some really weird stuff here.
Doing yard work.
Yeah, true. And so yeah, we're gonna figure out if there's anything here to buy and resell. But we'll show you as we find it, because we're gonna be hitting a lot of houses, so I don't want to be filming it like every single one. All right, Audrey bought something from this one garage sale.
Some Dr. Seuss classics
Whoa.
for my daughter.
E-money, look.
What's that?
Does this bring back memories, E-money? From when you were younger, like
letters?
Yesterday?
Yes. like right now.
Like right now.
And right now.
That's right, and right now. Every moment you're like older. See? All right, I got a Ford. Anytime I see these Chilton manuals, I always buy them. Doesn't matter what it's for. This is for a Ranger or Explorer, Ranger, whatever. This was $1, and it's a 300K rank-ish kind of thing, yielding $8. I bought it for $1. 300K rank in books is really, really good. So take a look at these Chilton manuals. You'll be so. This is actually one of the lowest ones I've ever found. Most of the ones that I mess with are paying over $20. I've had some sell for like 40 on FBA. Let's get what Audrey's on film here. All right, we did find something from this garage sale that was right over there. Audrey found a doll.
A hyper-realistic movie prop doll.
Oh my gosh.
Dang.
And the skin is that color apparently because they're going to put makeup on it
Oh
to
my
make it
God.
what
Rad.
they want. He said it was used as a prop in a movie, but that other than that, it's brand new. It has a few flaws as far as like stains on the clothing.
Yeah.
But the same one just sold yesterday for $133 on eBay.
Whoa, how much
And
you pay
I
for that
paid
one?
10.
$10?
Yeah, so I'm hoping to
Dang.
get at least 100. We'll see.
That's pretty cool. E-money and I, we split on a Canon XL1, which is an old video camera. Anyways, it uses digital videotapes. This is one of the lenses from it. It's a manual lens. So we're gonna sell this separately. And the camera's actually in here, which we won't get really into it, but I'll just kind of give you guys a hint of what it looks like. Let's take a look. It's kind of in there. You can kind of see it. It is awesome. So an XL1 typically goes for around 150 to 200 on eBay, and then that other manual lens, we're gonna see that. But we bought that for $60, and then this was $5 back. So the buck's an old Boy Scouts British backpack. Pretty cool. We stop at this one or not, Audrey? Yes or no?
Gosh. No.
Good call. You know, this is the funny thing about doing this and driving by, and a lot of people don't agree with us, but you have to be kind of judgmental in a weird way.
You have to decide what kind of people those are and what kind of stuff that kind of people will have.
That's right. All right, there's a garage sale right there. It says cool sale. I don't think Audrey's buying it though.
Not yet. We'll see.
Not yet. So yeah, I was just talking to Audrey, well, like 30 minutes ago about where she sells and everything. She actually started on Poshmark, right?
I did, like back when it was first getting cool in like 2014 and people were just starting.
And it's not cool anymore?
Well, it was just getting cool then.
Oh,
I didn't say that.
okay. So it's still cool.
People were just finding out about it, and I was mostly just selling clothes and stuff then.
And then you've migrated from clothes. Now you're doing more eBay.
I went to eBay, still dealing with clothes, and now I'm moving more away from clothes into hard goods. Yeah.
So what's wrong with clothing?
Honestly, there's not a ton that you're gonna get a huge return on. You're gonna find a lot of stuff that you can pay, maybe get like $20, $30 for it.
Yeah.
You know? And I found myself storing way too much inventory and shipping out way too many things that I didn't have the time to deal with for way too little money. You know?
Okay. Yeah. So it's just a very interesting perspective, because I know a lot of my people out there that are watching my channel might be into clothing and might not know that there's a way out of it. And so when you say hard goods, give like maybe 3 examples of a hard good that you're like, this is way better than clothing.
Gosh, I've been dealing with some electronics and just kind of like collectibles.
Okay.
Definitely. And then there's stuff like that doll I just found that, you know, I sold a bike the other day.
Well worth your time, right?
Yeah, definitely. And I'll still pick up clothing if it's like a really great thing, you know, but I'm not gonna, you know, buy something that sells for $10, $15, $20 because my time is more valuable than that.
Okay, cool. So there you go. Interesting perspective. So there's a lot of clothing at this garage sale. Are you excited?
We'll see.
We came up on a garage sale that has a lot of stuff, man. And there's another reseller right there. Anyways, oh, this guy's trying to like, dude, this guy's all over the place. All right, let's check it out. We did buy a bike from this garage sale. It was 20 bucks, and it's a hybrid, so we'll probably sell it for around 100, 120 in this town, a local sale. You saw some fake stuff at that garage sale, right?
There's a fake Coach bag and a really fake Prada bag, so I didn't trust anything after that.
Garage sale is sitting right here. It looks like a lot of stuff. There's some randoms. It's an Austinite. It's the kind of people that we like to mess with. Are you getting pumped?
I am. Someone brought their dog, so it's gotta be good.
There's a dog looking at us. Spent a whopping $4 at this garage sale. Got a pair of Vans that I'm gonna keep for myself. These are size 12. Pretty awesome. Got a vintage kind of tank top, Record Factory. Pretty awesome. And this one's pretty cool too. Check this one out, Audrey.
Oh, I like that one.
Dewey Beach, Delaware. Vintage t-shirt with a sailboat on it. This one's awesome.
That is cool.
Chris, how much were the shoes?
Hold on. This will be about 20 bucks in my booth. This will be about maybe 20 bucks in my booth, and this will be mine. These were $2, size 12.
No, I looked at them just to see if they were size 12 because I knew it.
They're always size 12, aren't they?
They're always size 12. Always.
Okay, so you found something that was free, right?
I grabbed this for free thinking if it's not worth anything, my daughter will play with it, but they're selling between like 25 and 50 on eBay.
Okay.
So I'll take it, clean it up a little bit.
Emerson, does that go to the Apple computer that has like those weird colors and stuff, like a blue one, there's a pink one?
No, you're talking about, what is it, the iMac or whatever?
This is a little bit more current day.
That's not for
I couldn't
That's
find
probably like 10 years old, right?
Yeah,
Probably?
this is an older one for sure, but
Okay.
I saw recent sales on it for some at 50, some were at like 25, 30, but I'll
worth your
take it
time,
for
right?
free. It's for free.
Yeah. Free. We also popped on another bike right there for 30 bucks. It'll probably sell for like 130-ish in town, so we got a little trek right here. Not too bad. So now I don't know where to go. All right, we're gonna hit up Taco Deli early because there's really not much other stuff to do. Interesting kind of fact, Audrey did not like Taco Deli the last time she was here, so I have to change her perception of this place somehow. She's like hating on the mashed potatoes. That's good, so I'm gonna make sure she gets something without mashed potatoes. Yeah. How you liking the ride along?
Good.
Yeah?
I only got a couple of things, but I only spent $10.
That's good.
So
Not too bad?
big win.
All right. Are we creepy people?
No.
I was worried for 1 second. So we got our tacos. We got a lot of breakfast tacos today. And Audrey's has no mashed potatoes. Are you happy now?
I am. We're gonna see. Not yet.
Oh man, it's tough to get her to like this place, I swear. But yeah, we're just having awesome conversations about other resellers, right?
All positive.
All positive. That's all good. Yeah, we're having talks about stuff like that. Asking her how I can improve my vlogs and things, and she's giving me some good feedback. So, anyways, Audrey always looks out for me. Like I've noticed that behind the scenes and stuff. So I have to thank her. And then one of the ways I can thank her is by buying her tacos today. So there you go. You're welcome. We're gonna let her go right now, and then we'll get along the rest of our day. But it was pretty good to see you.
You too. I'll see you around at yard sales.
Right, E-Money? We'll see you around.
Yeah, I'm yawning.
She told me something really particular. Before I leave you guys, I was at a yard sale with my parents, and I saw Audrey. This was like 3 weeks ago. And she rolled out her window. She's like, hey, what's up? Da-da-da. That yard sale, you told me you came away with a Coach Lexus bag.
Yeah, a men's leather black duffel bag. I paid $10 for it, and they're selling for around $150 or so on eBay.
And I was seconds late, right?
Yeah, and I looked at Chris, and as I was waving, I was like, hi. I was like, I'm so glad I got here before you.
Wow. The game. Wow. Anyways.
Watch out.
I know. She bags the bucks, man. She like totally got me. But it's cool though. I'm all good about it, you know. Always keep a positive mindset. I love meeting other resellers in town. So we'll be seeing Audrey again. I'll see you guys in 1 second. Let's go into the back. I'm gonna drop some stuff off. Interesting day. Found a little bit of things, nothing crazy. Some good local sales, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, we just drop our stuff off in the back because that's what we've been told to do. Trello box now, look at that. The hats are coming out. What do you think, E-Money?
It's awesome.
It's cool, huh? Yeah. All right, so that pretty much does the ride along. I hope you guys enjoyed it, had some fun. Leave some comments down below. I'll definitely see you on the next Bonafide Hustler ride along. Gosh, you guys want to go outside so bad. It was fun hanging out with you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.